Hello, my name is Tiasha Jennerette.
Hi, I'm Georgia Rogers.
Our topic for today is on equivalent ratios.
Equivalent ratios are two numbers that express the same relationship between numbers.
Prime numbers are numbers that can only be divided by one in itself.
See if the fractions are equivalent. First, find a common denominator. Whatever number you have to multiply to get 8 as a common denominator for both fractions, you have to multiply that number by the numerator too. Since 2 times 4 equals 8, you have to do 1 times 4 to get 4. Then your final answer would be 4/8, which shows that both fractions are equivalent.
Our second example is 12 over 20 equals 3 over 5. To figure out if these fractions are equivalent, start by thinking, what number can you divide 12 and 20 by? You can divide them both by 2 and you will get 6 over 10. You can still simplify the fraction 6 over 10. You can divide both numbers by 2 again to get 3 over 5. That will be your final answer because 3 and 5 are prime numbers, which means that they can only be divided by 1 in itself.
Our last example is 3 over 4 equals 9 over 12. To see if our fractions are equivalent, find a common denominator. To get the denominator 12, you have to multiply the denominator 4 by 3. Since you multiply the denominator by 3, you would have to multiply the numerator by 3. So if you multiply the numerator and denominator by 3, then your final answer would be 9 over 12. Therefore, these fractions are equivalent.
A lot about equivalent ratios. The most important thing to remember about equivalent ratios is that equivalent ratios are two numbers that express the same relationship between numbers. Equivalent ratios are multiplied or divided to find their equivalent. Prime numbers are whole numbers greater than 1 that can only be divided by 1 in itself.